Okay, here we go. You walk up to the gate. First of all, parents get to see the police shut gate after you. Then we got an intercom. Press the intercom, where they can see you through this. Hopefully.
Okay.
Yep, thanks. Just videoing here, that's all. Thanks. Okay, and as you can see, just push the gate open and in you come. Right? Now, just want to show you something. We got a camera here that they can get to see as a backup, add for nighttime, in case there's anyone at the gate throughout the night. You can see the gate. There's also a sign on the back, please shut gate when you go. I didn't shut it as yet. Just want to come over here. I want to show you what we've done under this canopy. We put a switch, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, shut the gate. I'm going to show you the mechanism of shutting the gate. You can see there's a magnet here, and I got a rubber stop here. And if you look up here, we got a ball, a wheel that clicks into this hole here, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. And this is the magnet that'll hold it firm. So let's just shut it. Wait, there you go, it's shut there now. It all clicked in. I don't know if you see that. All right, it's all held firmly. Now we'll just come back here. And what it is the arrow there, and you can read it to open gate. Press until the light comes on. See the light came on? Now the gate is deactivated. Parent comes over, pulls the gate open, and away they go. Now this is the way it'll lock. Okay, there she goes.